Good morning, everyone. My name is Shubh Sharma, and let's start with our pre-market analysis. Now, let's start with US market and let's understand what are the major updates coming from US market. Man, we have a lot to discuss. There are a lot of news coming over the weekend. Now, if you look at Dow Jones fell by close to 443 points. Nasdaq fell by 457 points and S&P 500 fell by 100 points. Now, if you look at FII and DII, now on previous session, FII, they sold close to 5,500 crores and DII, they bought close to 5,700 crores. In 16th session alone, FII, they have sold close to 1 lakh crores. SGX Nifty showing a gap down opening of 324 points. Now, what is the reason behind this? Well, it's obviously Mr. Trump. Now, Trump has warned Iran that they have 48 hours to open the Strait of Hormuz. If not, then they will hit their energy sectors. So, because of which the whole market sentiment has changed and it has turned all in red. Look at Asian markets. Asian markets are all in red. So this is a very big concerning. In morning on Friday morning, they said that we want to stop the war. Israel thinks that the war will be stopped before we all thought about. Look at Trump. Trump also said that we want to end the war very soon. But on the evening, they came and said that they have now 48 hours. Otherwise, they'll be hit very hard in their energy sector, energy companies. So because of which the Iran has also said that if America will do these things, then the UAE, the Gulf countries will be in huge trouble and they will not be opening Strait of Hormuz. So because of which SGX Nifty showing a gap down opening of 324 points. Big gap down, right? Now Nifty, let's talk about Nifty. But before that, Brent crude is above $110 again, right? Rupee is as at all-time low. Can you believe it is at $93.7 rupee per dollar? Now, obviously the FII will sell. Obviously the panic will come amongst the investors, even in American market, even in Indian market, even in world market. Forget about India that is opening 320 points gap down. Look at Asian markets. Not a single Asian country is in green. All are in red. So because of which the Trump and all this geopolitical tension, things have escalated, nowhere to cool off. Now let's talk about Nifty and Bank Nifty. Now on Friday session we gained 112 points. The closing was around about 23,114. Even I took long positions in Nifty, but once we broke the day low, I exited all my positions. And luckily today, look at after exiting my positions, look at SGX Nifty showing a gap down opening of 324 points. So yes, you can say it all God's grace that I exited after the day low was broken. Obviously, I took the stop loss, and my stop loss was hit. I accepted my loss, but still, nothing compared to what we are opening today. So now the support is at 22,800 and the resistance now will become 23,000. In Bank Nifty, closing was around 53,427. The support now is at 53,000 and the resistance now is at 54,000. Now, more, we had like this geopolitical tension and all these things. On top of it, look at HDFC Bank. Again, HDFC Bank is in the news. Their 3 executive has been terminated because of some link has been found in Dubai branch. So because of which HDFC Bank will be in your radar again. It is a very surprising news and not at all good news for the company stock. Again, HDFC Bank can be in pressure and we can see Bank Nifty to be dragged down by HDFC Bank. So yes, even on Nifty, this is a heavyweight stock. Nifty and Bank Nifty both will be impacted because of HDFC Bank. Plus on top of it, we are opening 325 points gap down. So all these things are indicating that market will be very volatile and right at the opening is not a place to short because we are highly, we are opening very highly oversold zone. So yes, if intraday bounce we get, right? If intraday bounce close to 100, 200 points bounce, if we can get, then that will be a place to short, but not at 325 points gap down. So yes, this is my view. I have shared you my view. I hope you would have learned a lot. I hope you would have taken the notes. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye and take care.